Hey, this is Wojciech from PhaseLLM, and today I'll be showing you a demo project of ours called ResearchGPT, which automatically analyzes data for you and generates insights about the data itself. So in this case, we've preloaded data from the US Census, and what you see here is the prompt that describes the data itself. Now, we're not actually going to be sharing this data with any large language models, but just the metadata itself. Now, we're going to ask a question, in this case, about whether gender or sex impacts or affects income in any way. So we send that off to the large language model, and with PhaseLLM, we could send this to Claude or OpenAI or a number of other LLMs. When we get the result, we actually get the interpretation of the results, so in this case, the analysis itself, but also the code, so that we can actually see how the large language model analyzed the data itself. I'm going to ask a more complicated example question now around building a model itself. And in this case, we're going to ask whether we can predict the likelihood of being a high income earner based on age. So we're asking a natural language question here. The model itself is going to, or the large language model is going to take that question and convert it into what I would hope is a model itself. So we wait a second or two, and here is the result. So in this case, what we have is a model that was built with an accuracy of 0.74 or 74%. And what's even better is we get an interpretation of the model results about older individuals, younger individuals, variability, etc. And we get the code itself as before, so we could evaluate or edit the code if we need to. And this is the sort of analysis that we believe large language models can do to actually achieve completely new findings and help you with your research.